My name is Martta Lystilä. I'm a Senior Director for Zenuity New Technologies. Zenuity is a joint venture between Volvo Cars and Veoneer, and our pure focus is software platform development for AD and ADAS, so automated driving and advanced driver assistance systems. Zenuity is really based on safety and how we can actually make lives better, where you typically get bored and distracted in the car. There are some statistics that if we can take those kind of situations away, it will bring the accidents down about 70 to 80%. We try to mimic the human brain and seeing as the human is seeing. A lot of computing power is inside of the trunk of that car.
So in each of the cars there's a lot of testing equipment. Typically we have a bunch of different types of sensors. We have radar, LiDAR, different types of visions. Most of the cars have 360 fisheye cameras that record data in 4K resolution, so that's why we generate so much data. Currently we're generating about 4.4 petabytes every month, so that creates a lot of requirements for compute and storage capacity. The car is typically out driving for about 8 hours each day. At the end of the day the car goes into the garage and we extract the data. We do a selection of the data, we process it, and we keep about 50%, and that data that we want to keep we'll then send down to the Dell EMC solution that we have in Amsterdam. We're currently developing a lot of driver assisting features that could be adaptive cruise control, parking features, stuff like that.
There's a lot of providers out there that are focused mainly on annotating the video data. This is a car, this is a human being, this is a tree, this is a traffic cone, and some of these companies do it based frame by frame, so you can imagine how much manual labor goes into that.
The ultimate goal is to have a fully autonomous driving, which is what everybody's competing for. So initially at Zenuity we're thinking about, should we do this ourselves or should we buy it as a service? And we decided to go for this as a service because our core focus should be to develop the code. And we think that other people are probably better at HPC solutions, etc. So we were looking at not just only the storage and compute, but also the virtualization platform above it, including user access through VDI, Active Directory, and all those types of things. So it's literally an end-to-end solution that's being managed. It's pretty much a Dell EMC shop. We have everything from data domain to Unity to Isilon to Dell PowerEdge servers. Going forward we'll have about 30 cars, 10 cars in Sweden, 10 in Germany, and 10 in the US collecting data. We also have about 6,000 cores that are being used for compute power, and we see that will grow to about 12,000.
It's really about anything that can gain us more speed and agility in that, and also keep us focused on what we can do well, which is software for AD and ADAS, and not worry about the IT infrastructure.
So what I appreciate with Dell Technologies is the overall solution that they have delivered to us. Not only the traditional components like storage, compute, etc., but being able to deliver the full package. That has been a major differentiator compared to your competitors.